Hey guys, how we doing? Beautiful day out here today. Maybe 15 degrees. We're gonna go get some wood. Come along. Today we're gonna be taking the Massey 1540 out to get some firewood. We got a neighbor that says, I can pull any firewood I want off of it. So we're gonna be going to get some dead ash with the Massey 1540 frostbite grapple. And we got a rear 3-point hitch grapple. So come along. Stay tuned. Just heading down into my neighbor's lot here. I'm staging all the wood over here, and then I'll be coming with the truck and trailer to pick it up, bring it back to my wood lot. Pulling all dead ash out of here. There's quite a few trees in here. I got about a 4-acre lot I'm pulling wood off of. Now this wood I pulled off the other day. Dragged these trees out. It's nice having that 3-point hitch grapple because I can drag a whole tree, no problem. It handles it very well. So what we got here is an iron and oak 3-point hitch log skidder grapple here. It opens up to 53 inches, goes down to, I believe, 3 inches. This is a 40 horsepower tractor. It handles it quite well. It does work very, very good for, my application. It's not a bad product. I'll be talking about that in future videos. And to be cutting the firewood today, I'm running my Husqvarna 562 XP. It's a good saw. I run a 20-inch bar on it with skip tooth chain. It performs pretty good for what I use it for. I use it on my full-time tree company also. It's been a good saw. So like I said earlier, I pulled this ash out the other day. Got a decent sized pile of logs here. I usually cut them about 10 to 12 foot to handle them in my truck and trailer. These I still got to cut down to size. But we're gonna get back there and we're gonna pull some more wood. So let's get to it. Hey guys, working out in the woods by yourself, it's a dangerous thing. So, I try to use safety, keep safety in mind. So I will be using my hard hat, wearing my hard hat out here, cutting the wood and stuff. And it's pretty cold out today. It's about 15 degrees out. So gloves and hat and all that good stuff. Keep your butt warm. So we got about I don't know, I would say it's a few hundred feet. I would say about the far end of the property, we're probably maybe 500 feet about from of a drag to be pulling this wood out, which isn't too bad. This tractor handles it quite well. And having the front grapple and the rear grapple, we can make some good time, and we can collect material pretty quick. It really isn't too much snow. There's only a couple inches on the ground, so we don't need to put the chains on yet, but they're calling for more snow, so we might have to chain up to be able to get some more wood out of here if we'll lose traction. All right, so I took down a pretty good sized ash tree the other day. It's going to yield some pretty good firewood. It's dead and it's dry. The trouble is where we have to go to get it. We've got a few obstacles in our way. But I don't think it's anything the frostbite grapple and the Massey can't handle. Let's give it a shot and get this wood out. as expected, the Massey with the frostbite grapple had no problem moving this wood out of the way. It is dead ash, but it's a little too punky to be using for firewood. I do sell some of it, and I do burn most of it, but you know, we are in the firewood business, so we don't want to give customers you know, punky wood, because that's not going to get us any more customers, and you know, we don't want to jeopardize our reputation for nice, clean, good firewood. Well, hey guys, here's just a quick demonstration of some of the wood that we got to move. This is a pretty good size ash tree, and this Massey does handle it quite well, I gotta say. This frostbite grapple handles 36-inch diameter wood with no problem. It's not a bad grapple for the money. I could put a link in the comments there, and it's not a bad grapple for the money. I think it cost me around $1,500, which isn't bad. I mean, it handles this ash log, you know, without any hesitation, without a problem. That's some good diameter wood there. Well, I got myself a nice decent, about a 16-inch to 18-inch log here. We're gonna bring this up to the part of the landing over here where I'm staging a few to make the drag after. So we're just gonna bring this up. It's a little rough in here. We had a tornado a few years back, and they did come in here and grab a lot of the nice timber out of here. So it's a little rough from when the machines were in here, but it's not bad. None of the Massey can't handle. Well, I got to get through here to collect some wood that's down over on the other side. I don't know, it's about 150 feet over there. But you know, I got a lot of these little saplings here, so we're going to be cutting those down so I can make a little road. We're not going real wide here because we're trying to preserve as much growth as we can. Going to be using the 562 here and cut this stuff down. We don't want to you know, you don't want to really run over this stuff with the machine, because you know, some of these you know, all it takes is an inch and a half sapling to you know, poke up through and grab a line or something, hydraulic line, or you know, it's just easier to not have a problem. So let's get clearing. All right, guys, well, I finally got back to where I needed to be. I'm gonna hook this tree up and we're gonna drag it out. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna pull this log out of the woods, bring it out to my landing, and pick them up. If I have time today, we'll haul them out of here. If you liked the video, give me a like and a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.